So now we have the phases and the tasks for your outreach project. And the next thing we want to do is figure out the month and the milestone dates. And your strategy brief is going to help you here. So if you go over to your strategy brief, you're going to see a couple of sections. And first is the timeline. And you've got this matrix, which we call a Gantt chart. And you'll see in the Gantt chart that we've got some time for the months that are associated with each of your phases. So let's go ahead and do that over here. That'll be 2017-3, 2017-4, 2017-4, 2017-4, 2017-4, 2017-5, 2017-5, 2017-5. So you've got the month and the year for each task that it's got to be done. And if some of the items have a milestone date, which you will see in the milestones section of your strategy brief, you can add that as well. Let's say, for example, that we've got to have the facility booked by March 15, 2017. We'll put that in there as a dead certain date. If you don't have a particular dead certain milestone date for each task, you can leave it blank.